What's up? It's the 1B, and we're back with some more video editing. And this time we are going to be video editing. Let's get in here, new folder. Let me just move my little notebook out of the way here. Okay. This is a thumbnail creation for Star Trek original series season 2 recap thumbnail. Video. I think. Select folder. Thumbnail creation for Star Trek TOS season 2. Season 2 thumbnail recap. Thumbnail creation video. Click OK. Alright, so what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to know the numbers on this. I think it's this video. Isn't it? Yes. Okay. So this is 420. Excuse me, 225107. All right, we're going to click this one and we're going to drag it down into the project. And then we are going to grab my YouTube end screen and bring that down into the project. We're going to bring the video into the timeline sequence, and we are going to, this is a thumbnail creation video. So we're going to unlink all of this. This is the mixed audio channel where it has all three of these ones. We don't need that. We don't need the system audio, and we don't need Discord audio. So we're going to go ahead and right click here, delete tracks. We want to delete all the extra video empty, or all the empty video tracks, and we want to delete the 3 empty audio tracks. Click OK. Let's go ahead and drag in, actually while we're here, with the scrubber at the times 0, it's at 0000. Let's go ahead and select that. Actually, let's link them back together so that I can change this to 15, right? And the saying goes, I'd rather you have to turn me down than not hear me at all. Well, not at all, but versus not be able to hear me. And that's what I say in every video, when I'm video editing anyway. Then we're going to go ahead and drag in YouTube end screen, and we're going to do the same thing. And then we're going to zoom in here, and we're going to make sure that I am at the beginning of the video. What's up? Okay. Then we're going to go here. We're going to hit Control K, which splits this into 2 clips. There's now 2 here. Splits right at the marker or the scrubber. And then we are going to hit Shift Delete, and that is a ripple delete, which means it pulls all of it to the left. So it takes out that little spot there that I didn't want, and moves everything over to the beginning. All right. We're going to assume Bam. And then we're going to call that right there. We're going to hit Control K. And then we're going to select this portion here of the clip. We don't want that. Thank you. And then we want Shift, Delete, and see, you can see how this pulled over, right? It got rid of that little spot. Control S will save. Control M will bring up our what will that bring up? Control M will bring up our export media settings. Then we're going to want to save it. Make sure you're in the correct folder so you don't get confused. I get confused all the time, even when I am organized. This is thumbnail creation for the Star Trek TOS Season 2 recap thumbnail creation video. Recamp? No. Recap? Yes. Save. Then we're going to hit Q. You can export directly, but I've had issues with it, so I don't even do that anymore. I just hit Q. Brings you to Adobe Media Encoder if you have that installed. And then once I hit this green button here, it's going to start the encoding and rendering process for this video. That's going to take 5 to 20 minutes depending on your specs, how long the video is, and it's the quality that you've chosen to export it at, the format and stuff. And yeah, so I don't really record that portion because it's just sitting there, and I like to free up the resources so that I can get it done faster. So while that's going on, hopefully you'll go and watch another video, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.